well, from international, foreign expert, local expert, that's going to mentor you into the field that you are going to study with us. We have flexible learning, evenings and weekend classes tailored to working learners. So there's no excuse that you cannot make it or there's no time. We have flexible learning section for anyone that is a is a working learner. We have a supportive community, online student community, encouraging collaborations. Our programs, our programs have this online community whereby we will not leave you hanging. Yeah, there is a community whereby we are 24/7, always online, attending to each and every student, either their question, their tasks, making inquiry about our company. We are there to answer you 24/7. So there is a community where we encourage different skills and also put you through the things that you are not strong with or were unable to understand during your section. Career opportunities, job referrals, internship opportunities, and freelance job leads. We have these career opportunities whereby we have this some different section whereby we bring out different referrals, like job opportunities that you can be able to get from others by we have our job hunt where we showcase different parts or different section where where you go to and look for different job that you have applied for in our academy. Let me say, as you're applying for data analysis, we show you where to get the job, and also you can put us as a referral that you learned from us. So that is an opportunity that you get from us. Internship opportunities. We have internship opportunities for those that want to apply in our academy. You can come and apply as an internship student, and we're able to put you through. Freelancing job. We teach you on how to be able to position yourself and get jobs on your own without applying for companies. You're able to stand on your own. Our programs are designed for university students, NYC members, business owners, job seekers, freelancers, and career switchers. So these are for people that really want to be inspired or that really want to gain skills apart from what they have learned or studied so far, or somebody that wants to do practical skills. We are all about practicals. So we deal on people that want to be able to learn more about what they know or what they do not know. That's why you have to choose our academy. Understanding data analysis. Now let's go to why we are here. Data analysis is a critical skill in today's digital economy, transforming raw information into actionable insights for business and organizations worldwide. Lloyd Academy prepare you to diverse role in dynamics field. So this is all about why we are here. Data analysis is a critical skill in today's digital economy. Everybody knows about digital, but how do we go about it? It's through data analysis. What is data analysis? It is systematic process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data to discover useful information, informs conclusion, and supports strategic decision making. Essentially, it's about uncovering hidden patterns. That is what we call data analysis. You inspect, you clean, you transform, and you model data. This is what is all about. Diverse feed and roles. From business intelligence to financial analysis, marketing analysis, and healthcare analyst, and operational research, data analyst offers numerous specialized career paths to explore. So we have diverse fields and roles where you can fit in. If your head cannot carry financial analysis, you can go to marketing. If it cannot carry marketing, you can go to healthcare. So there are different ways you can put your skills, like you can put your role into what you want to focus in. You can just say, I want to focus only on financial analysis, and you focus there. Marketing, you focus there. Healthcare, you focus there. So there are different fields about data analysis. What data analysis does? Data analysis identify trend, predict future outcome, optimize process, uncovers hidden insights, and solve complex problem, enabling organization to make data-driven decision. So data analysis when you're able to know the field that you want, if it's financial analyst, you're able to know the kind of future outcome the organization will have. Or you want to go about marketing analyst, you have to know about the trend. So this is what data analyst does. It is generally on everything concerning data. Our boot camps provide a comprehensive foundation, equipping you with the skills to excel in any of these exceeding domains. So we have people that are expert that is going to teach you and take you through practical aspects and theoretical aspects about this diverse field and roles and how you be perfect with them. Data analysis in your daily life. Data analysis in your daily life. Data analysis isn't just for business or scientists. It is something we do every day, often without realizing it. It's about using information to make better decisions. For example, we have checking the weather. You can see you can see the image even on the screen. The lady is trying to check weather. You can see the map there. Before stepping out, she checked the weather app. It uses historical pattern and current atmospheric data to predict rains or sunshine, helping you to decide what to wear or if you need an umbrella. For example, here in Nigeria, we are in our rainy season, and most times the rain might fall. Sometimes the rain will not fall. Everywhere will be so cloudy. You will think that the rain will not fall, or it will just be so dull. But with you checking your weather app, you're able to detect if truly the rain is falling somewhere. Maybe it's not falling your location. It might be falling somewhere. Maybe you are heading to that direction. So through the weather app, you can be able to detect, you can be able to see, and you're able to predict. And then you said if it's to take your umbrella or just leave it at home. Using the navigation app, when driving, your GPS app analyzes real-time traffic, road closure, and accident data to suggest the fastest routes, helping you to avoid delays. We all know our Google our Google app. We use it to navigate. We have so many of them that we can use to navigate while driving to detect if there is traffic on the road or is under construction or under maintenance. So you're able to avoid all these things. Online shopping. Websites suggest products you might like based on your past purchase, view items, and even what other similar customers have brought. This is data analysis at work. So, for example, let me say I purchased something today from Jumia, a bag. Then, before you know it, I will start seeing different sort of bags, adverts, just displaying on the screen. I'll be trying to from their website, not from the app, because their app, I think they have limited advert display. But when you go to the website, you start seeing so many display of different bags. It's because you are able to you are already picked or added your bag in their shaft that you want to purchase it. So they are able to know that this person likes bag, or that was your past, your previous view, or that was your previous view, or you are able to, or for example, you are watching a video on TikTok and you use like 1 or 30 minutes to be staring on that particular video. Anything relating to that content is what you'll be seeing after 10 or 5 minutes time. That is all data analysis. They pick all the details that surrounds your phone that you have been focused on for a minute or whereabouts 3 or 5 minutes, and then start using it to give you information. Tracking your fitness. Your smartwatch tracks step, heart rate, and sleeps. It collects this data, analyze your activity levels, and provide insight to help you reach your health goals. This is what your track, like if you want, if you are a physical coach or fitness coach, and you want to be able to track how your calories is going, or if you are reducing your weight, or you are spending too much time on your exercise, tracking your fitness smartwatch helps a lot. It even helps you to regulate your heartbeats. Maybe you are running too fast. All these are datas. This simple example shows how data analysts help us navigate our world more effectively, making everyday tasks easier and more informed. In the next slide, we have application of data in business. Application of data analysis in business. We talked about our daily life, we're talking about in business. Data analysis is the engine during efficiency, innovation, and the strategic decision across all sectors, from corporate office to bustling commercial space. Now, we have growth mastery. You identify market trend. This is so common for people that want to apply it in the role of marketing. You identify market trend, uncover new opportunities, and make data-driven decisions for business expansion and competitive advantage. All these are data analysts. They are able to know what is currently trending, how to go about it, if they're out of the market trend or they are far beyond the market trend. Most people used to go side by side with the market trend. We have operational efficiency, optimize workflow, reduce cost, and improve productivity for analyzing resource allocation and supply chain dynamics. This is what this aspect is. When you apply data analysis in your business, it helps in operational efficiency. It helps to reduce costs. It makes you to not to spend. Let me say, for example, you went to buy something that is not trending and then you spend a lot. That is lost already. So operational efficiency helps you optimize workflow. It helps you in productivity, and it also helps reduce costs. Sales and marketing insights. Personalize customer experience, refine campaigns, and predict consumer behavior to boost sales and loyalty. So if the approach I am giving for a particular sales is not giving me the particular reward or profit I want, I have to change, because I have to change the campaign method, or I have to change the way I view the data, or maybe I'm taking data that is meant for data analysis and putting it in cybersecurity. So I have to change the method. All these are marketing insights. Without data analysis, you can't be able to detect it. You can't be able to see it. So organization, companies, corporate office are looking desperately for people that can be able to detect all this. Also, mastering this application is crucial for any organization aiming to drive in today's data-rich environment. So for customers that you have to predict what the customer behavior is. If the customer is actually enjoying what he or she is listening to, or satisfied with the product that you displayed. All these are data analysis. That's why we have feedback. That's why we have comments. These are datas. Is used for marketing so that they're able to know what process, what other method they will use to approach the customers. Career opportunities after training. Data analyst skills open doors to roles such as data analyst. Collect, clean, and interpret data sets. They're able to collect data. You can be saying jargons, but data analyst is just picking, yes, this person is saying jargon, but I know what I'm writing. The data analyst will just pick it, collect it and make it clean. They have different ways of approaching. We see interviewers, they will just go and start interviewing somebody, and you think the person is saying a lot, but they know what they are writing down. All these are data analysts. They put it down, interpret it in a data set so that others will be able to understand it. They can even interpret it in a chart for you to understand. Provide insight for decision making. Then they provide reasonable insight that the company or whosoever that is looking at that data set is able to understand it. Business analyst, rich data insights with business strategy. They are able to bring data from different or let me say a company that has been selling a provision store or a drink shop, they're able to bring data from past sales, like what like for example, you're having a shop where you sell drinks, and you look at the previous sales, the one that attracts more sales. You are able to input more focus on it and see why customers are always demanding for this particular drink in your store. They bring insights and bring different ways on improving on other drinks, so that maybe this is the focus, why they are focusing on this one. or then let's go over, let's do this, so that this one will match together with this energy. Same, that's why we have so many companies we have so many Coca-Cola company right now. Before, we have just one, but now we're having duplicates everywhere. They're able to bring different insights why this one is selling more, then they bring it together and use it for their business. Improve processes and company performance. Improve the performance of the sales by taking previous data or previous information. Since we are talking about data, so I'm saying data. They are able to improve processes from previous data and make it into a profitable performance in the company. Financial analysts, they analyze financial statements and market data. They are able to analyze the profit and loss of the company. So it's very, very crucial that you know where you are going to and where you are coming from. So they're able to analyze financial statement and market data. They support investment and budgeting decision. They analyze what is currently trending on the market, what the company can invest in, and then they will profit from it. And what they cannot invest in, or partners that just come in that want to partner with them that are not partner that are not able to stand in the next 3 years. They just want to come. All these are what data analyst does. They are able to detect all this and make a budgeting decision, so that they will not waste money in the company, or the company will not lose money. We have marketing analysts. They track customer behavior and campaign performance. These are people that, oh yeah, you purchase something like this, or you purchase a drink, and maybe this company, the company I bought the drink from, is not delivering, or they are having some issue with their drink. My customer purchased the drink and is not able to give me the right impression that I want. Like anytime she want, if I say that your favorite drink is here, come and take it, you say no, 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 change it. All these are impression, all these are behavior from customers. That's why we have feedback. As I earlier said, customers are able to drop their feedback or their comments. Then marketing analyst is able to track it and know if it's from their side or from the market. They are able to analyze why they are having that issue and make a campaign performance towards it. Help business increase ROL, which is our return value, through data-driven marketing. So they don't just help by campaign performance. As they're campaigning, they're helping the business to increase their return. They're helping the business to increase their return for everything that they are doing. Operational analysts, they streamline business operations. They're able to do various processes to help the business into marketing, financial, business, data analysis. They're able to do all these streamlined process operation for the businesses. Identify efficiency and purpose solutions. They are able to, these operational analysts, they're able to identify inefficiency. Let me say marketing analysts identify the problem, then operational analysts will come and look for a solution, and another analyst that can be able to provide solution to the problem. So they provide solutions, ineffective, and purpose solution to the company. We have BI, which is business intelligence analysts. They design dashboard and reports, Power BI and Tableau. So they're able to design the dashboard and report, all the report they have gotten so far from different departments or different roles, from data analysts, business analysts, financial analysts, marketing analysts. They are able to design a dashboard for even the sales, especially the sales. They're able to design a dashboard and report for it. Communicate trend and KPIs to management. They communicate what the market analyst has provided to the management, the trend of what is going on that the marketing analyst has gathered so far to the management. So they are the ones that those things that the marketing analyst has been able to gather, that they think that they know very well, this business intelligence oversees them all. They are the one that really go deep into it, therefore making it valid or invalid in the organization. We have data engineer, build and maintain database and data pipelines. These are people that from let's say from the raw part of it, they build and maintain database and data pipeline. They build everything concerning the company and how the data analyst is going to be able to put in their data into a data sheet, provide insight, everything concerning the business analyst. They are the ones that build it. They build it in a template whereby just within them that they're able to understand. Data analyst is not a job for someone that wants to start for beginners. You have to go deep. You have to learn through all this process before you go into data engineer. Understanding this process, BI, operational marketing, that will combine your knowledge knowing the data engineer, because you're able to go deep into data analysts. Support analysts and data scientists with clean data. So that is what they do. They support analysts and data scientists with clean data. We know we have data analysts collecting, clean, and interpret data sets here. But in the data engineer, they are the ones that build the system, so they know what they are doing. They build the system, so they know what they are doing. We have data scientists, also for advanced. They apply advanced scientists and machine learning. So the system, without all this, you can't be able, without data scientists, I cannot be able to use this system to communicate to you. These are people that go deep into the data. They predict trend and build intelligent models. These are people that predict trend. If this thing I'm working on, if it's going to go forward or is going to cause me loss. So they predict the trend. They know how the market is going. They know where the market is going. They predict it and they work towards it to make sure the trend goes to their direction. We have product analysts. They study user behavior on apps and software. When you go to different app on your phone, let me say from you want to download Chrome, or should I say a popular app which is WhatsApp. You go to the feedback, or should I say the comments there. You will see different people reporting this thing. This app is scam. This app is like some people will say this scam is very good. I love it. Build this. So why some people will making a comment that build so parts in this app. I want to be able to send messages, and when I delete it, I'll be able to see it back. All these are behavior, or most people, they like the product analysts, they check through the behavior as well, whereby when they are operating the app, how the app is doing. All these are behavior gathered. They study the behaviors on app and software. These are what they do, product analysts. They study what the particular app is all about. They study it after the data engineer has done their part. These product analysts will study it. Guide product and development using analysts. Guide product development using data, using analysts. They guide the development. We have what they call charts or by charts. They use it to guide the product development, to know the trend. If January it was high, or February it was low, they use it to guide the trend of the data. We have free license data consultant. This one is I used to say this one is way easy, because you were able to direct a customer to each one. Let me say he comes to you and explain what he needs in his company. You direct direct the customer to either product analyst, data scientist, data engineer, BI. That's why you have to be conversant with all the knowledge, having the knowledge of all the roles of data analysts. Work on global free license platform. So you're able to work on different platforms. Moving over to what employers are looking for. Employers are looking for core technical skills. We have advanced Excel, able to understand the pivot table, Power Query, VBA, and macros. That's what you're able to understand when you have a core technical skills of advanced Excel. Employers expect you to know all these details. We have the SQL, we have query, joining, analyzing data. So the employer expects you to know this. If you say, I know SQL, you're supposed to know these things inside the SQL. We have Python or R. This is data cleaning, analysis, automation. So don't just say, I'm good with data analysis and I know Python. Then what do you know in the Python? You have to be able to know all these details. Power BI and Tableau. Looker, you have the knowledge of dashboard and report building. These are called technical skills. We have data handling and analysis, data cleaning and preparation, data modeling and ETL workflow, working with large data sets, statistical analysis, A or B testing, regression. These are what the employers are expecting you to know. Don't just say, I know how to handle data very well. I am data analyst. You're able to know all this. Visualization and storytelling. Yes, you are able to tell stories, translating raw data into clear charts and dashboard. You are able to translate complex. Some people will just be saying jargons, but you're able to translate it into charts. What this person is saying is repetition, and we translate it into chart and dashboard, presenting findings to non-technical teams, creating business-ready report for decision makings. So all these are what you are able to do. This presenting findings to non-technical teams, people that are not in your teams, people that are not studying data analysis, you're able to encourage them, convince them to do so with your storytelling. You're able to tell them this is what data analysis does with your storytelling. You're able to give them that convincing story, creating business-ready report for decision making. You're able to create business-ready reports. No matter the crowd or let me say the complex of the details they give to you, you're able to provide it. This is what visualizing and storytelling is. We have the soft skills. That is the core technical skills. Now let's talk about the soft skills. Soft skills, we have analytical thinking and problem solving. You should be able to know how to solve problems. Think very fast. You don't just say I think or I maybe or no. You're able to think and solve the problem as you think it, you solve it. Clear communication of insights. As you are looking at it, you are able to say, let me say you draw a chart explaining a market trend, and in the chart is complicated. They cannot even see what you are writing, or you just draw a bunch of colors in your chart. You did not draw a box to tell you this red color is for January market, this blue one is for February market. You just draw everything. You're able to give a strong attention to details. Clear communication of insight, that is what I was talking about. You're able to detect in your chart. Even a layman will be able to understand it. That is what soft skill is. Strong attention to details. As your boss is talking or you are interviewing someone or anything concerning the company, you're able to have that strong attention. Like even when the person is trying to sneeze, you just jot it down because he might say, what did I say last? All these are strong attention to details. Effective teamwork with diverse departments. You're able to collect information from various departments that is not even your team. As for all, that is what you are, data analyst. You're able to take data from different departments, marketing, and put them together to make an effective work. Emerging and bonus skills. All these are what they expect you to have without them asking for it. Knowledge of AML tools, ChatGPT, AutoML. These are what they expect you to have. This is bonus skills, things that you just know. You just know them. Experience with survey and analysis tools, familiarity with cloud data platform, AWS, Azure. So when you go through all these data analysis with the core technical skills, you're able to see that you make use of all these things in your research, in your own tasks. You're able to get to know all these emerging skills. We have experienced employers' value, end-to-end project demonstrating full life cycle. These experienced employers value. These are all the things, all the work you have been going, like I'm a data analyst, I've done this, I've done that, you should be able to have demonstrate your life full cycle in a data. Since you are claiming to be a data analyst, you're able to have a life cycle of all the achievements so far. Portfolio or case studies showing real world applications. Show a portfolio designing your work. Create a portfolio or a website designing your work, showcasing what you have achieved in an organization or personal project, showcasing all this in your portfolio. These are real world applications. Internship or freelance projects highlighting problem solving. Then you say, this is what the company requested me to do. This is what I was able to do. This is the results. These are experienced employers' value. All these come together to make what the employers need for you to be employed. The next one is our 14 days data analyst boot camp. An intensive fast-track program designed to equip participants with practical, job-ready data skills aligned with global job market demand. In our company, we don't talk too much. We go into practicals. How this I'm doing, you will not hear this. You go into, as I'm saying it, you are practicalizing it. That is what we are all about. We have Taiwan, Excel, Google Sheets, and Power BI. Master data manipulations, report, and visualization fundamentals. That is what you learn if you want to apply for Taiwan. We have Type 2, SQL, and professional development, database query plus resume review and interview preparation. This is what you would learn if you want to acquire or apply for Type 2. In our Type 3, we have Python projects. We have Python. We have project and placement, complete job readiness with internship placement and career coaching. So you will learn everything about the Python project, all the things I've been saying all this while. You are going to learn it in Type 3. And then you pick the role that you really want to be in. Then global data analyst job market. In Nigeria, we have 1,154 plus. That is still counting. That is many of the plus is still counting. Job opening in LinkedIn. This is just in
Oh, we apologize for the break in transmission. So while our speaker is trying to reconnect back to our network, basically what she has been saying is how important data analysis is. Like, you don't just need to be a student or want to learn it, you just have to know it, because data is used for everything. Everything you use in today's life is data. And enrolling in our program in Flowat Academy, we have the practical aspects, we have trained tutors, we have people that will help you to actually actualize what it means. You see most everybody say, oh, I'm a data analyst and this is how I live my life. It's basically the feel that you get after our training with us, with our detailed and well-oriented structure. Then our learning management system is effective. You go at your own pace. You have assignments push you that will push you to become good and become strong. We have trainings, tasks, and our trainings are not like Monday to Friday. Our trainings are just Saturdays. And this is because we know that you work from Monday to Friday, and obviously, us putting this course under that time will not be effective. So, our Saturdays are when we train. And let me see if I can quickly bring out the brochure. Let me see if I can quickly. Let me Okay, our speaker is back. So
Okay, everyone, sorry for the network. Okay, let me quickly share. So, okay. And so we're saying earlier, we have global data analyst job market. This is the platform where you see numbers of market that is posted in the month or past month. So we have 1,154 plus in Nigeria, just on LinkedIn. And we have 23,021 job opening for last month to date for UK. The salary varies in 30,000 euro to 17,000 euro per year. We have 15,376 job opening in USA, and the average salary is 1K, which is $111,000 per year. The entry level is $90,000. Remote opportunities is available worldwide through different platforms. We have platforms like Working Nomads and dataanalyst.com. The Nigerian market shows promising growth for data professionals with increasing numbers of LinkedIn job openings. Same thing with USA and United States. So there is no excuse that if I start, will I get a job? No, there's no such excuse here. This is an example of job opening offers in LinkedIn. In here, we have 40,000 as the salary they want to give whosoever can be able to perform this task for them. They want someone that has the skills to do data scientists, be able to search data, analyze data, and be able to bring a clean result. Yeah. So that is for LinkedIn, and the pay is $40,000 to $50,000 per month. It's even per month. You can see We have the next one, jobs in Canada. Here we have data analyst, which is junior scientist data analyst, junior scientific data analyst. So offer is from Canada. Requirements, they need a bachelor degree, which is educational background, of course. And moving forward, you see various ability to handle multiple projects simultaneously. I work under pressure. All these are requirements, and all these are things you will learn from our boot camp. We have the benefits, which is salary ranges from $45,000 to $65,000 per year. You see, all these are offers from Canada. Job opening, of course, job opening. The next one is remote job. So you can able to learn this yourself and start opening free license platform for yourself. We have a free license here that posted that is a custom data analyst scripting Python. It can, this person, which is a female, can be able to do Python and also do data analyst scripting. And the charges is $35 per hour. That is what you pay for a service. Same thing with this next one, that is data analyst. That is what it does. And I explained the data analyst collect data, clean data, and make them to data set there from the first slide. So this is what this person does, and the pay is $20 per hour. That is what the person is charging for service. Moving forward, admission and frequent questions, like questions that we get to ask, like people ask us daily if they want to apply. So ready to start your journey with Floyd Academy? Here is what you need to know about our admission process and answers to frequent asked questions. Admission and requirements. We have the prerequisites, basic computer skills, and strong motivations are all you need. No prior coding experience is required. So don't say, what do I need? I don't if I pay now, I don't have money to I don't know code. I'm not start. No, there's no need for you to complain. Just get your basic computer skills. Like, just we are able to we even teach you the basic computer skills. We have a program where we teach people basic computer skills as well. So get the basic computer skills, strong motivation, all is all you need. No prior coding experience is required. How to apply? Simply click the arrow button on our website. When you go to floydacademy.com, you will see data analysis. Even you can see various things that will attract you, that you want to learn. You will hungry to learn, and they are affordable. You go to our website and you just click on the arrow button on our website. Nigeria, Canada, US, and select a payment plan, full or installments. You will see all in the website. Our scholarship, we offer a limited numbers of partial scholarship to high potential applicants acquired during the application process. So during the application process, you can talk to us and we know if the scholarship is still available. We have referral program, spread the word and earn. So you invite someone and you earn, you receive 20,000 for Nigerians. If you are inviting a Nigerian student to us, you will be able to receive 20,000 naira. While if it's a foreign UK, Canada student, is 100 per student you invite. For every student you successfully refer to our bootcamp. It's not by referring that then they will stay in our message DM. We mean they are going to pay for the course. When they pay, then you have your referral commission. Frequent asked question. Do I need a technical background? No. We start from the basic and wrap up your skills with guided practice and mentorship. Will I get a certificate? Of course, yes. You receive a Floyd Academy certificate of completion, validating your expertise and a job-ready portfolio. What if I miss a live class? All sessions are recorded and uploaded to our learning management system, LMS, within 24 hours for your convenience. Can I pay in installment. Yes, installment plans are available for both region. Nigeria, we also offer a pay after job option. Okay, the next one is, will you help me get a job? We provide comprehensive career support, including internship assistance, mock interviews, and an application tracker to help you stand out to employers. Okay. Now let's go to our payment details if you are interested, because so far I know you're interested. Don't want to miss it. We have Nigeria. These are payment details. First Bank, name of the account on the bank, which is Floyd Nigeria company. Then we have the account details. Our popular app banking. We have OPay. This is the name on the accounts, and this is the account details. In Canada, you can either transfer to Floyd Academy at email.com, Imoli Holding Corporation. This is the details to use when you want to transfer to Canada if you're in Canada, or you can request for it. And then UK, USA, Canada, PayPal. This is what you can use if you want to transfer through your PayPal account. And so far, if I've been too fast and you want to communicate to us, this is how you communicate to us. You communicate through we are always on WhatsApp. We are active on WhatsApp. You cannot call us direct. Just send us a message on our DM. We'll get you started. This is the Nigerian number. This Canada number is active. Both of them are active. And if you want to send a Gmail to our accounts or email to our accounts, this is floydacademy@gmail.com. Send it to this floydacademy@gmail.com, or you send it to admin@floydacademy.com. Whatsoever method you use in sending it will get you started. And this is the name of our website. Just type Floyd Academy, www.floydacademy.com, and you will see the button to enroll now. Thank you all for joining this section today. Hoping to see you next Friday, because next Friday we're having a tough and sweet topic concerning data analysis. Thank you all for joining. Have a nice day.